Now let me place an order over my WooCommerce store and we will see the magic further. So right here I'm going to buy this product, that is Hydra Dew Moisturizing Cream. Now let's add it to my cart and now let's proceed towards the checkout page. And right here I'm on my checkout page where I'm going to fill all these details. So here I have filled the checkout page providing the email address as newlead@pabblytunes.com, first name new, last name lead, and here I have filled all these details. And here I have selected my payment option as COD. Now let's place the order by simply selecting this place order button. So as I have clicked over this place order button, you can see that my order has been successfully placed. And now a WhatsApp message will be sent to this particular lead or the customer. So now let's move on towards my WhatsApp and check for the working of this automation, and we will see whether we receive a WhatsApp message or not. So right here I'm on my WhatsApp where you can see that I'm successfully receiving this message which says thank you for your order new lead, and right here I'm receiving the same name which I have just entered over my WooCommerce purchase page while placing the order, and right here I'm getting the same product name, that is Hydra Dew Moisturizing Cream. So now you can see the working of this amazing automation which is automatically sending WhatsApp messages to my customers as soon as they place the order. So now you can also automate your WooCommerce store and send instant WhatsApp messages to your customers without you even typing a single word, by just using one and only automation tool, that is Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that can integrate varieties of applications and automate your entire business. And not only these applications, by using Pabbly Connect, you can integrate thousands of applications, whether it's WhatsApp, Google Sheet, Facebook Lead Ads, and many more amazing applications, which is going to automate your entire business task, and you don't have to do anything manually when Pabbly is there for you. So now let me show you how you can create this automation for your business too. So for that you have to move towards the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect with me. So right here I'm on the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect, which you can get by typing its URL, that is going to be pabbly.com/connect, and once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you can just click over the sign up free, and if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Connect. And if you are an existing user, then you can just click over the sign in, and if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now let's move on towards the dashboard page, where for creating a new workflow, we just have to click over this create workflow button. And right here, I'm going to create it using Quick Builder, which is the new workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, where you don't have to select trigger or action application. You just have to provide a prompt to this AI, and this will automatically make the setup for those applications. So here I'm going to enter my prompt as integrate WooCommerce with WhatsApp, and right here I'm going to select my WooCommerce trigger as new order created, and here I'm going to select my app for the WhatsApp as WhatsApp Cloud API. So right here you can see that we are getting this application. Now let's select the WhatsApp Cloud API action as send text message, and you can even select the send template message if you want to send the template messages. And now let's approve it, and now let's open our workflow. So right here I'm on the workflow page where you can see that my both applications are already integrated. So right here I will be selecting WooCommerce, and here you can see that we are getting this webhook URL with the steps for pasting this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge between WooCommerce and Pabbly Connect for building the connection, so that we can automatically fetch the new order received over the WooCommerce. So here I'm going to copy this webhook URL and click over this recapture webhook response. And now let's move on towards my WordPress account with me, as WooCommerce is a plugin of WordPress. and right here on the sidebar we are getting this option for WooCommerce, where you have to select this option of settings and you will be landed to the WooCommerce settings page, where you have to go towards the advanced, and right here I'm on my advanced page where we are getting this option for webhooks, which you have to select. And here I'm on my webhooks page where I'm going to add a new webhook by simply selecting this add webhook. And here I'm on my this page where I'm going to provide the webhook data, providing its name as WhatsApp confirmation. Now let's select the status as active, and here I'm going to select the topic as order created. Means my WooCommerce should be initiated as soon as an order is created, and here I'm going to enter the webhook URL which I have just received. Now let's save this webhook, and right here you can see that my webhook has been saved successfully. And now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect to check whether we are receiving something over there or not. So here I have saved this webhook. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect. So right here I'm on my Pabbly Connect, where you can see 7 seconds ago we have received this response, that is response A, and this response consists of the webhook ID. And as we are receiving this webhook ID, this shows that we have built in the connection. Now we just have to receive order details so that we can send them WhatsApp message. So for that, again we have to click over this recapture webhook response. And now let's move on towards my WooCommerce store, where I'm going to make a purchase. Now let's say I'm going to buy this product, that is elegant high neck full length maxi dress. Now let me add it to the cart. And now let's proceed towards the checkout page. And right here I'm on my checkout page, which I'm going to fill. So here you can see that I have filled my checkout page, providing the email address, first name, last name, and here I have entered the address. And now let's select the payment option as cash on delivery. Now let's place the order, and as I have clicked over this place order button, my order has been successfully placed, and right here you can check out all these details. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect to check whether we are receiving this order data over there or not. So right here I'm on my Pabbly Connect, where you can see we have received this response, that is response B, 1 second ago, and this response consists of all the details including the total pricing. And right here you can check out the product which I have bought, and here you can see the rest of the details of my user. And now as we have received the response, I'm going to send a WhatsApp confirmation message to this particular lead, and for that I have used this application, that is WhatsApp Cloud API. So now let's build the connection, and right here I'm on the connection page, where if you want to go through your existing connection, then you can select this button, but I'm going to build a new connection. So here we have to enter the token, phone number ID, and the WhatsApp business account ID. So if you want to get all these, then you can visit this documentation given over the help desk, which will provide you the necessary steps and videos for generating the permanent access token and setting up your WhatsApp Cloud API. But I have already set up my API. So now let's move on towards my API setup page under Metaphor Developers. Now here we are getting this option for generating the access token, which I'm going to select. Now let's select my Facebook account. So I'm going to just click over this continue button. And here you can see that my access token has been generated, which I'm going to copy and paste over the Pabbly Connect. So here I have entered it. Now let's get the phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. So here I have entered my phone number ID, and now let's enter our WhatsApp business account ID too. So here I have entered all these. Now let's save it, and here you can see that my connection has been built in, and we are getting both these fields. So the first field is asking me to enter my recipient mobile number. So now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually type it, but no, I'm going to map these fields. So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map my recipient's mobile number from the response which I'm receiving from WooCommerce, as this is my previous application. And the process is you have to select the field and press this slash symbol. And right here I'm going to search for the phone number of my user. So here I'm going to search for it. And here I'm getting this phone number which I'm going to map. And now it is asking me to enter the message. So now let's enter the message which I'm going to send to my user. So this is the message which I'm going to send to my user, and here after this sentence, that is thank you for your order, I'm going to enter the name of my lead. So again, I'm going to use the method that is mapping. So here I'm going to search for the name. So here I'm getting the first name which I'm going to map, provide the space, and I'm going to map the last name of my user. So here I have mapped it, and right here I'm going to map the name of the product which my user has bought. So here I'm going to map it, and now we just have to click over the save and send test request. But before that, I'm going to replace this mobile number with my phone number so that I can show you the response which I'm receiving, as this is just a dummy number. So here I have entered my mobile number. Now let's click over the save and send test request. And right here we are receiving this positive response which demonstrates that a WhatsApp message might be sent. So now let's move on towards my WhatsApp and check for it. So right here I'm on my WhatsApp, where you can see that I'm successfully receiving this message which says thank you for your order, current lead. And right here I'm getting the same name of the dress or the same product which I have just bought. So now you can see that we have successfully integrated our both application, that is WooCommerce and WhatsApp Cloud API. So now as soon as someone will place the order over your WooCommerce store, they will be instantly receiving a WhatsApp message, and you don't have to type even a single word. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now, and I have provided the link of the workflow which I have just created, so make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.